Hey guys, I'm Michael King, and in today's video I'm going to analyzing the Euro USD. As you can see, this is Euro USD on the monthly time frame. So I had to start from the monthly time frame so that we can have an idea of if Euro USD is bullish or if Euro USD is bearish. As you can see, we have a series of lower high and lower lows, which signifies that Euro USD overall on the monthly time frame is bearish. So with that in mind, we are going to move on to our daily time frame so that we can try to find out our current high and our current low. So I will start all the way from this point right here down to right here so that we can be able to find out our high and our low on the daily time frame. So when price got to this high right here, you can see that price came all the way down to this point. It went up, then down to this point. Went up a little bit, then down, up, down, up, down, then all the way up to this point right here, which pushed price all the way down to this point. Then price went up, down, up, then down. So it means on the daily time frame, this is our high right here. So I'm going to quickly put a level right here to signify the high of Euro USD on the daily time frame. So now as you can see, this is our high right here. So now let's also put for our low. So this is our low on Euro USD. So it means currently we are looking at price in between this level and this level. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm also going to draw our fib. Why I want to draw our fib is so that we can know where our equilibrium is on Euro USD. So I'm going to put a level right here. Alright, so this is our 50% level, which we can also call the equilibrium. So everyone familiar with the ICT concepts, we know that above this right here is the premium and below is the discount. So with that information, let's look at price on the 4-hour time frame so that we can have a wider view of what is happening on Euro USD. So you can see right here from this high from the daily time frame and from this low from the daily time frame. Now if you look carefully, you will see that price came all the way down to this point right here and price went up. Now this 50 Fibonacci level is acting like a resistance. Rejected price here, then rejected price here. So I'm going to try to tell you what to do if you are thinking of buying or if you are thinking of selling. So if you are thinking of buying, which is against the trend because overall is bearish, it means if you are thinking of buying, you have to just be looking for quick buy setups. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to see if we can find any fair value gaps for us to trade from this level right here to this level right here, so that maybe when price got to the fair value gap, we can see an upward movement. That's if you're thinking of buying. So looking at from the 1-hour time frame, I can't find any gap, as you can see. Then let's quickly look at the 30 minutes time frame to see if we can find any gap on the 30 minutes. I can still see reliable gap. Or let's look at this right here. Okay, this has already been used. As you can see, this gap right here has already been used, and that is exactly what pushed price all the way to this point right here. So we already have a fair value gap right here on the 30 minutes time frame, and as you see, price went all the way up, then prices have been moving around this place. We might have a rejection to the upside a little bit before price might go the way down. So if you want to trade this right here, you should be looking for a quick maybe like a scalping, just scalp for 10-20 pips or 30 pips, then that should be all. But I'm trying to see if we can have any gap right below current price. So from the M30 we have none. So let's quickly look at the M15, that is the 15 minutes time frame. I can't also find any right here. So it means this should be the only likely place for you to look out for you to buy EURUSD. Watch out for this level right here. But if price should break it, then we should not. Sellers are in to push price all the way down to the lower level of the daily time frame. So with that in mind, I'm also going to explain to you, if you are thinking of selling EURUSD, how do you go about it? So if you can remember right here on the daily time frame, right at the 50 level, as you can see, we have, I'll call this a pin bar. Yes, even though buyers were still able to keep this right here, because this clearly shows that the close is not below the open. Instead, the close is still above the open, meaning that there's still presence of buyers right here. So this pin bar isn't really as significant as it ought to be. So now with this information, I'm going to tell you what you're going to do by thinking of selling EURUSD. So looking at the H4 time frame, all we are having for the daily candle is this right here, is what we're having for the daily candle. So I'm going to see if right from this level to this level, if there are any gaps that we can look forward to, right from this level to this level, so that maybe when price to retrace to this gap, we can place a sell limit order or an instant sell order and push price, hopefully price go all the way down. So from the forward time frame, I can't spot any gap right here. So I'm going to move to the 1 hour time frame right here. So from the 1 hour time frame, it's filled, there's no gap here. It's filled, there's no gap here. Then the 30 minutes time frame also, there is no gap, there's no gap, there's no gap. Then for the 15 minutes time frame, looking at the 15 minutes time frame right here, I can't find any gap. Then on the 5 minutes time frame, okay, I can't find one right here. Alright, it has already been used. So it means if I can't find any gap right now on EURUSD, what I'm just simply going to do is I'm going to wait for price to play. I'll have to wait patiently, see what price is going to do. Price might go all the way up to this point right here and might see a down movement. So it means how I'm going to trade it right now, since I cannot find any gap, is I'm going to let price play along, like price just play and show me another entry point. So price might want to go all the way back to this point to retest this level, and we might see price coming all the way down. So by the time price go all the way down, going below this level right here, we can try and look for possible fair value gaps that will be on price during the fall. So this fair value gap that we can identify is going to be our entry point. Why for buyers, remember I said that we still have a significant gap right here, we stand a chance to push price up. So it means if price to take this current high right here, you can also look for possible fair value gap that will form from this level all the way up to this point. Then when price should pull back to this fair value gaps that you've identified, that is if you're thinking of buying, you can also go into place another buy orders. So with that in mind, that's all for EURUSD analysis. If you do enjoy, please hit that like button, hit that share button, share to your friends, and I would appreciate if you drop a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.